Right, here we go. Make sure it wiggles. My frozen Napoli cut mozzarella, which I'm going to order more of, and when I get the big bag, I then split it into little bags like this, freeze them, and then I can use for my multiple pizza cooks. We'll do the oven in a minute, but just want to... Oh gosh, I thought that wasn't going to move then. So I put the Ninja Woodfire on preheat, and it's definitely ready because it's been preheating for 30 minutes. It should be a nice saturated stone with lots of heat. So I'm going to now put this in. Have I got my peel ready? Yep. Just my final wiggle test. Get this in. Shut the door, press start, and then I wait till that gets to about 140, and then I'm good to go. I need 3 or 4 peels actually, so I'm gonna get a few more of these Epicote Spy. Love my YouTube merch there, and yeah, I'm just going to wait for it to go to 140, then I'm going to check on it. Right, we're nearly there. And boom. Like magic, it's done. Amazing. Amazing. So what I'll do is I'll just let that count down. Don't need that time. Forgot to get some basil. It's oregano time again, but actually it really is nice on pizza. My oregano plant. Right, let's check out this pizza. Crust, base, crust, base, crust, base, crust, base. We'll go on to the next one. Little treat. Treat for doggy woggy. Yum yum. Great. It's 370. Let's get this in. Pizza number 2. And we'll wait. I took it out at 140 on the timer for the last one. Maybe I'll leave it to 130 this time. See how much it crisps up with that 10 extra seconds, just as an experiment to see. I love cheese pizza. It's just no frills, cheese pizza, one of my favorites, with good quality cheese. Whew, it's like only 20 Celsius, but it's quite muggy here in the UK. Filming this on July the 4th, so happy July the 4th if it's been. It will have been by now, but I hope you had a good day. To our American friends. And we're coming up to 140, so I'll leave that to 130 just to see what happens. Right, let's do it. 130. Ooh. Actually, I think I might need to turn this. See at the front. There. Oh my gosh. Right, I've turned it. I'm going to put it in there for a teeny bit longer. yeah, it's worth the turn. It's definitely worth turning it if you can see that you want a bit more. Oh my gosh, I just touched a moth. Oh, I thought it was a leaf. Oh, poor moth. Oh, I'll show you in a minute when I don't want to burn my pizza because I'm worried about a moth. Oh, perfect. Yeah, I'm glad I did that. Shut that door. Look at the moth in there. See, I thought he was a leaf. Oh my gosh, I hope I haven't hurt him. I kind of went to pick it up thinking it was a leaf and he jumped. Oh, just put you behind there. Look at that lovely cheese pizza. Oh, the wind is blowing my oregano away. You gotta make the call. See what the base is like. Base, crusts, hot crusts, base, crust, base, crust, base. 65% hydration dough. It's so soft and lovely. Right, ready for pizza number 3. Wiggle and get this in. Let's check this oven for the third cook. 370 as it says in the front. Let's get this in. Start. And again we will wait until, shall we wait until 140, 130 or 120 on that timer this time, because we did 140 for the first one, we did 130 for the second one, checked it, did a little rotation and left it for another 20 seconds. So for this one, shall we leave it to 120 and see how it comes out as an experiment, because I'm in experimenting mode recently, so we'll keep on doing it just to find out. Hopefully it won't go too overcooked or something. I don't think it will. I think it'll be okay. If I can smell it overcooking, I'll remove it. It's a shame I couldn't make a pepperoni one today. Do I ever use that for cooking pizza? No, I don't, because it doesn't give enough time for the smoke to absorb into the pizza. I only use that when I smoke the meat, which I'll do a video on soon. Oh, we're coming up to 140 and I'm going to take it to 130. Whoa. Oh, I can smell it cooking. Okay, 120, did it. Let's do this. All right. Oh, 120 is a good, like 120 might be the better place. No turning with 120 on the clock. I think I stand corrected. Add some oregano. I'm really enjoying oregano actually. It's really nice when you bite into it with your pizza. I'd say it's as nice as basil. I think maybe a bit of basil and a bit of oregano on the pizza wouldn't go amiss. Nice. Crust, base, crust, base, everything's falling off, base, crust, base, cooked really well again. That's got my name on it, that bit there. Bubble there. Mmm. I'm going to check the heat of the oven before I go. Straight up. It doesn't really lose anything in between cooks. It just stays at 370. That the moth is gone. We've had enough. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it the thumbs up. Sean the sheep would be happy, and I will if you did that for us. I'm going to turn it off now. This is how you turn it off. And nope. Bye bye. See you in the next one. Take care.